Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on your Jabra Elite 85T wireless earbuds. If you're having any issues like the earbuds are not connecting to your device, or they keep disconnecting, or maybe you're getting sound out of only the left ear or only the right ear, a hard reset is quite easy to do and it will fix a lot of these issues. So all we need to do for these Jabras is we're going to take them out of the case, and when they're out of the case, we are going to press and hold simultaneously on both of the Jabra buttons. And you're just going to keep pressing and holding, and it'll take about 10 seconds, a little bit less than 10 seconds maybe. And you'll notice that the indicator lights, you just keep holding, they will blink slowly, and then finally they will blink fast, and then they'll turn green. And that means that the reset has been complete. Now, since this is a reset, they will be removed from any devices. So when you try to pair again, it's going to send a new pairing request because they will be paired like brand new headphones.